Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrojyoti Healing. In this video, we are going to see how the month of November 2021 is going to unfold for the signs Aries through Virgo. So if you have Moon in Aries, Ascendant in Aries, or you have Moon in Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, or Virgo and Leo, watch this video. And if you are born in the month of November, I wish you a very happy birthday. Let us begin this video with the sign Aries. If you have Moon in Aries, Ascendant in Aries, Mesha Rashi or Mesha Lagna. For you, your Rashi Lord or your Ascendant Lord, Mars is going through a planetary war with Sun and Mercury in the month of November. So you may notice that you are having some opposition or you are having some pressure from either your clients, your business partner, or you are noticing that your boss has been asking for things that are difficult to provide on time. It is going to be more issue about the timing. So I want you to do couple things. Please plan your activities as much as you can. Do not get angry or do not feel that you have to do certain things to get something. Do your best and things will fall in place. Remember, you can communicate, talk, and respect the other person. As long as you do this, Sun, Mercury, and Mars can work well together. If you have Aries Ascendant or Aries Moon, make sure if your boss or if your mentor is a woman, seek their support. Talk to them, seek their guidance, and then you can solve the problem easily. This is going to be a good month if you want to do anything that is related to new inventions or related to finding a cure for something. This will also help you if you are in the fields of arts, music, entertainment, or any business that deals with trades and exchange of money. Aries folks will have an excellent opportunity to adopt somebody, to help somebody, and they will gain through that opportunity. As far as your health goes, you have to be careful about not staying awake and getting issues like acidity or heartburn. As far as relations with team members or your siblings go, you will have to take a step back and listen to them first in order to make sure that they do what you want them to do. The best remedy for Aries folks in the month of November is going to be help somebody, seek guidance from your mentor, and respect your father. This will bring you maximum success. In terms of doing planets related remedies, you can donate blood if you are in that physical state. You can help someone from your team, your siblings or cousins, and it will give you lot of success. If you have Moon in Taurus, Ascendant in Taurus, Vrishab Lagna or Vrishab Rashi, the month of November will bring you lot of opportunities. Those opportunities will be related to teaching, coaching, management related education, or doing the role of a manager. If you are already working in these professions, then you will get happiness from them, you will get success in whatever projects you are dealing with. Always remember, whatever promises you do to someone, fulfill them. You may feel that you have a lot of money or you can earn a lot. However, always remember, you will have to use a portion of that amount or portion of your earning to support someone to get the best from your horoscope. Folks who have dominant Taurus sign, be careful in dealing with anything that is related to government, police, and all day-to-day finance issues. You do not want to overcommit to your expenses or do something and then feel sorry about it. In terms of investing into stock market, speculative gains, kids or education, you will have to understand that communication is the key. Talk to people, seek their guidance, seek their support, and then do investment or do any kind of expense you want to do related to this. Taking any decision in a hurry may not give you lot of benefits. If you have Moon in Taurus, you will find lot of opportunities to make changes in your lifestyle, in your life. You may find this is a good month to look for a new job if you are looking for one. Transit of Venus through your 8th house can give you help from others or money from someone that you are expecting since long. Overall, this is going to be good month for you. You just have to remember that you are not dealing with something that is not legal. If you feel like quitting on some task, maybe it's a new partnership, maybe it is a business, or maybe you're thinking about getting out of your marriage. Understand this is not the right timing for that. All these moments or whatever thoughts that are coming in your mind could be related to certain time period. Let this month pass and then you can think about it later. We have lot of changes happening in the month of November. We have lunar eclipse. We have Jupiter moving into the sign of Aquarius. So that is going to affect lot of signs. If you have moon in Gemini, ascendant in Gemini, Mithun Rashi or Mithun Lagna, let us see how the month of November is going to unfold for you. In this month, your focus is going to be on kids, education, your romantic life, or the investments that you do in the stock market, depending on which stage of life you are in. Or you could be somebody where all these things would be making you a little stressful, making you a little nervous. The key to get the best from this month is have faith in yourself, respect the other person, listen to them, use your communication skills to the fullest. Gemini folks are communicative. They know how to talk to other, how to make the other person feel important. Use those skills, help your teammates, and you will get the best. It is a good idea to get in touch with your mother if you are staying away from her. And if you are staying with your mother, seek her blessings. Talk to her about the difficulties that you are going through. Ask about what she is going through. And this month is going to be the best for you. Gemini folks will find help coming from unexpected places or sources this month. So even if you are going through some difficulty, I want you to try your best and you will get the help that you are looking for. If you have moon in Cancer, ascendant in Cancer, Karka Rashi or Karka Lagna, let us see how the month of November is going to unfold for you. For Cancer natives, their house, family, their routines, the rhythms of life are very important. And in the month of November, you have Sun, Mercury and Mars, all three planets transiting through the fourth house. They are in the sign of Libra, where people will try to seek balance. In the month of November, if you are looking for changing your residence, if you are looking for buying a new home, that is a favorable time. Same thing applies if you are looking for buying new vehicle. The key for this month is communication. Make sure you plan things, you communicate things, and you don't leave anything for chance. You may feel some suppressed emotions. You may find that you are getting angry. But if you focus yourself on communications, things will be better. Also remember, respect other people. The best way is ask others what they are looking for, what help you can do, and then you can negotiate what you are looking for from them. On home front, family front, things are going to be little bit hectic, little bit heated up. But as the month progresses, you will find solution for most of the issues. You will find the residence that you are looking for, or you can buy the new vehicle that you are looking for. As far as your education, kids or romantic relationships are concerned, Cancer natives should not give up immediately. Do your best, communicate well, and then take a decision. You will notice that you may get a sudden impulse of taking care of your health, and you may choose to have a very sattvic lifestyle. And if you are the one who is going through that feeling, it's a good idea to listen to your mind. You may have some health issues, however, you will get solutions for them. The difficult part or something that can drive Cancer natives crazy can be their spouse, somebody who is elderly in the house, or your business partner or client who is more experienced than you, or who is slow to respond to things. The key is use your communication skills. Use your emotions to get the best from that person. You may have to slow down. They may not be able to follow the pace that you want them to work at. But if you set and plan timings, they will respond well. In the later part of the month, you will get more success in terms of exams, any education related things, speculative buying, or even your romantic life. Those of you who are looking for some inheritance gains from insurance or money from the big pool of market, the later part might prove to be more successful. Those of you who are working in the fields of music, arts, entertainment, or some sports will have such influx of money in the later part of the month. At work, you will be respected, but after a lot of arguments, after a lot of heated communications, and once they realize you have a solution to their problems, they are going to give you lot of respect. You may be tempted to hide your feelings. You may be tempted to continuously oppose someone. But slow down, use your true self to answer everything. The success will be yours. The best remedy for cancer folks in the month of November is you can take a walk near riverside, watch the imagery where there is waterfall. You can also look at the moon in the sky whenever it is possible. And if you cannot do anything else, share some nice memories of your childhood with your parents, or maybe those are the things that you liked when your mom was with you, and they will give you peace of mind. They will help you get inspired and do the best. If you have moon in Leo, ascendant in Leo, Simha Lagna or Simha Rashi, let us see how the month of November will unfold for you. In this month, in the beginning of the month, your Rashi Lord or Lagna Lord, Sun, is debilitated. That means you will be tempted to think about yourself more, think about what you can get all the time instead of looking at benefit of others. Switch this mindset. Think about how you can help your teammates, how you can take the supportive role, and you will realize things are changing. As the month progresses, you will notice you are getting a lot of cooperation from your teammates. You will notice any initiative that you started in the beginning of the month will be fulfilled or will be going towards fulfillment as the month progresses. And that is a great news. Respect the other party, have faith in them, support them. A king should act like a king. Always remember that. Sign of Leo brings its own royalty, your own leadership skills, but use them to benefit others so that you will get more benefit as well. This month will be fairly easy in terms of dealing with kids, education, your romantic relationships, or if you are looking for any speculative buying. Just remember, whenever Venus is transiting through the nakshatra of Mula, there is always a chance of some sudden things happening, and you should be prepared for that. The best remedy for the month of November for Leo natives is do not have any ego. Be polite, be respectful, and you will get the most from this month. As far as the health issues are concerned, Leo folks will notice that they are dealing with some slowness, they are dealing with some irritation when dealing with people, or if they stay awake for too long. Take a good night's sleep and you will realize things are changing. Transit of Venus through the 5th house will always give you whatever medical support you are looking for. If you have moon in Virgo, ascendant in Virgo, Kanya Rashi or Kanya Lagna, let us see how the month of November will unfold for you. When the month begins, you will notice that you are stressed, you are pressurized with how you can earn more. You will notice there is some conflict between the family values or the principles that you value. Your teammates or your boss, they are not cooperating well. But the solution to these problems is communications. As the month progresses, use your communication skills, use your analyzation skills to benefit your team, and in turn you will be rewarded as well. In the later part of the month, you may feel like suddenly giving up on a task or a project that you started on your own. Please don't take that decision in a hurry. You are taking that decision out of people are not respecting you or you are not being valued. This is going to change as the month progresses or we go into December. Just continue doing the good work that you are doing. Be a great team player. Encourage others and look at these things from a spiritual perspective. As far as the gains go, this month will be favorable to you. As far as the expenses are concerned or your health is concerned, you may notice that you will get the loan that you are looking for, or you will find money to do your expenses. It may be coming from maybe selling your house or the old property that you wanted to sell and it was not being sold. That all those works, pending works that are going to give you money might go through in this month, and you will have money when needed. Be careful about the expenses and plan your month in advance. Transit of Jupiter through the 6th house can bring some stress, can bring some more expenses. But remember, if you plan it in advance, you will be able to deal with it. As far as your romantic relationships or speculative buying or education goes, you will have to make a lot of efforts. Use all your communication skills, use all the techniques that you have learned so far, whatever your mentors have taught you, whatever your father has taught you, and apply those things here. That way, you will realize you have to respect the other person. You will have to slow down sometimes, and you will have to respect the time. Follow your clock and be on time for whatever meetings you have promised. That will bring you a lot of success. The best remedy for the month of November for Virgo folks, Virgo natives or Kanya Rashi natives is you can go for a walk, do gardening, and make sure you have a very positive outlook towards life. Saturn's transit through the 5th house can make someone think negatively, but you don't have to fall prey to those emotions. Have faith in yourself and you will find solutions to most of the problems this month. Share this video with all your friends who have these moon signs or these ascendants. Also, watch the video related to the days that are going to be most beneficial for you in the month of November, and watch the video that will show what are the days on which you should take extra care when dealing with something that is spontaneous or driving vehicles or operating machinery. The best remedy for the month of November is going to be respect others. Listen to others and work in a team. Benefit your partner, benefit your team member, so that you will get a lot of success due to that behavior. It is a great idea to donate to orphanage, donate to any institution that is dealing with supporting the people who are handicapped, who are abandoned by their relatives. Overall, this month is going to be really good for most of the people, Aries through Virgo, because Jupiter's transit, and at the end of the month, Mars is going to be alone in one house. So there is not a planetary war with Mars that was there in the beginning. I wish you a very happy birthday if you are born in the month of November.